Change the way you charge your devices with the FLI Charge. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the FLI Charge, a wireless charging system that can charge almost anything, from your smartphones, tablets, speakers, headphones, action cameras, and many more. This uses a conductive charging technology. The company sent this out for me to review, and you can pick this up online starting at $70 for the charging pad and $30 for each of the accessories. There are various bundle options available also. I have the link in the description below. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. This is the FLI Charge charging pad. It provides up to 40 watts of power, enough to charge many devices at any given time. The pad utilizes these accessories. This is the FLI Coin, which has a lightning adapter. You can plug any device that uses a lightning adapter and charge it from your phones, iPads, tablets, and other accessories. The FLI Coin also comes in with a micro USB version, so anything that utilizes a micro USB connection will be able to charge on this. This is the FLI Cube. This is perfect for USB type connections, and you will be able to charge it on the pad as well. And the FLI Case. This model is for the iPhone 7. They make it for the iPhone 6 and 7, Samsung S6, S7, and the Edge. This adds the convenience of just being able to put it on your phone and then charge it on the pad. You can use the micro USB or lightning adapters if your phone is not compatible with the cases. Inside you will find a manual for each of the devices that I just went over. The FLI Charge uses conductive technology, which allows you to charge multiple devices at any given time and provides up to 40 watts of power. It's energy on contact, efficient, and has a drop-and-go placement, which will charge regardless of the orientation or position on the pad. Multiple device compatibility options and safety features built in. Here's just a quick view of how this compares to other charging solutions, such as a Qi charging system. You can clearly see the advantages of the FLI Charge. And a conductive versus inductive comparison. Conductive is what the FLI Charge uses. Some benefits is the safety, efficiency, high power, multiple devices, and position placement. As opposed to the Qi system, they tend to be less efficient, lower in power, single device, emits radiation, and placement has to be precise. Here is the FLI charging pad. It's a solid and well-built pad. The top has the contacts for charging, and on the back is the plug for the outlet. The pad comes in under 9 inch in length, about 4 inch in width, and just fractions of an inch in thickness. This is the power adapter that it comes with. The FLI Coin Lightning. This has a lightning adapter cord to be used for your devices. Underneath the device, you have the metal contacts that are used on the charging pad. The FLI Coin Micro USB. This has the cord for micro USB devices. Same build with the metal contacts on the bottom. The FLI Cube for connecting USB type devices, and the metal contacts on the bottom as well. And the FLI Case. This is for the iPhone 7. It has a rubbery feel all around and provides a nice grip. The top just pops off and the phone just slides in. The back also has a metal contacts for charging. Installing the case is easy. Just pull the top off and slide the phone in. Then you can put it on the charging pad. There you go. You can see it charging now. The LED on the pad will also light up. As mentioned, placement is not an issue. You can change the orientation and the position and it will still charge. Now using the FLI Coin with the lightning adapter, I will use this Ipod. Again, just plug it in as you would a normal cable and then put the coin on the pad. It's that simple. There it goes. You see it charging. The FLI Cube, I will charge this Bluetooth speaker using the supplied cable. I'll plug the USB end into the cube and then put it on the pad. And you can see the LED indicator on the speaker that it's charging. For the micro USB connection, I will use a hotspot device. The adapter just plugs right in with no issues, and now we can place it on the charging pad. And you can see the charging indicator on the hotspot. So let's plug in one more device. I have another lightning cable, and for that I'll use an iPad mini. And there it goes. You can see it charging now. So now you can see we have 5 devices charging with various connection types. The FLI Charge system. It's just awesome to see all the devices centrally located and charging. No more messy wires to deal with. It supports multiple device types and is very efficient. They have safety mechanisms in place to prevent charging issues. If you have many devices that require charging and want a wireless solution, this system is definitely worth a look. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.